Jenna. I want to start off today by just doing a quick functional screening with you. I just want to see how you're moving, make sure your range of motion is the same on both sides, and we'll just kind of go from top to bottom whenever you're ready. Okay, so we'll start with the neck. If you could flex your neck and bring it down, extend it and bring it back, and then go side to side, and then twist. Okay, great. So now we're going to move on to the shoulders. If you could bring them forward as far as you can, and backwards, up and down, and if you could flex both shoulders, bringing them up and extending them going back. And then we're going to do abduction and adduction, internal rotation and external rotation, and then horizontal adduction and abduction. Do the same thing with the other arm. Okay, great. So now working down to the wrist. If you could extend them back and then flex them forward, and then we're going to be from side to side. Now we're going to go with the hands. If you could spread your fingers out for abduction and then bring them together. And then this is what's called opposition. So if you could touch all your fingers to your thumb, just like that, perfect. Now we're going to move on to the trunk. And I'm going to have you bend over and touch your toes. And then if you can, go back as far as you can. And now we're going to do some side to side. Great, so now moving on to the hip. I'm going to have you bring both of your knees up for hip flexion. And then extending them back as far as you can. We're going to do abduction on the right side, and then adduction coming together. Same thing on the other leg. And internal rotation, so if you could bring your leg up and in and out, and then up, in, and then bringing it out as well. Perfect. So moving on to the knees, if you could give me a big kick out for knee extension, and then just flexing it. Great. Same thing with the other leg, out and in. And then we're going to do adduction and abduction, bringing your hip out